Hello everyone, today I will show you how to delete downloaded songs on Spotify. And here's how it is done. To get started, open the Spotify app on your phone. You'll be taken to the Explore page. Tap on your library from the bottom panel. Choose any playlist and tap on it. Tap on the three dots, then tap on Download to begin downloading the playlist. To remove downloaded songs, go back to the homepage. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Navigate to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Storage. Here, you will see how much storage is available and how much space Spotify is using. Tap on Remove All Downloads. Confirm by tapping Remove. And that is everything to know about how to delete downloaded songs on Spotify. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.